going to show you guys how to use an Narc Ranger. So first thing, I'm going to open it up, plug in the power source. Then to turn it on, I'm going to hit the power button and hold it for 3 seconds. Once it's up and running, I'm going to enter the user number and hit submit. To identify a substance, I'm going to click on identify and make sure that I clean the testing area prior to testing. Then I'm going to place the sample on the test area. I'm going to make sure that I try to center it with the lens. Once that's set up, I'm going to hit start and the testing process will start, and it takes approximately 55 seconds. So we got our results back. The substance that I tested was identified as methamphetamine. So I'm going to add a note here. I'm going to print the results. That's how you use an Narc Ranger.